How to build an app using ChatGPT. Host, install, and play it on your phone. Part 3. In our previous tutorials, we successfully uploaded and hosted the app. In this tutorial, we will proceed to install the app on our phones and start playing the game. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract here from the WinRAR option. Double-click on the Android folder to proceed. Once you locate the APK file, open Google Drive and drag and drop the APK file into it. Next, open Google Drive on your mobile device, locate the APK file, and proceed with installing the TechTricksGh app official. When prompted, allow installation from this source. In the settings, confirm the installation. The app begins to install. If prompted again, proceed with the installation without a scan. If you trust the source, of course, we can trust our app because we did it. Finally, click Open to test the mobile game. You can now enjoy playing the game on your phone. The app has successfully installed. After closing the app, we can reopen it using the app's icon, as it works perfectly. That's it, TechTricksGh. Follow for more. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.